guys, this is John with the FJ Cruiser channel. Today's June 1st, and I've got a little over 6 weeks to prepare the FJ to head out to this year's 2019 Toyota FJ Summit in Ouray, Colorado. I've got a few little projects I want to do some videos on and bring them to you guys. I'll try to keep the videos short, under 6 minutes or so. Minor things. I just want to, wire some power up to the tent, because this year we're going about a week and a half before the FJ Summit, and we're going to be doing some camping out in Ouray, around the Ouray area in Colorado. Anyway, so I'll be posting a lot of short videos on some little items that I want to get done in preparation for the trip. But while I was doing that, I found 2 extra CH4x4 switches. A while back, I did a video on the CH4x4 switches for the FJ Cruiser. I'll post a link to it right here. Anyway, one switch says dual battery power, and the other switch says winch power, and they each have a little image of a battery and a winch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give away one switch for 2 people. Well, 2 people will get one switch. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, and share this video. Anyway, what I'll do in June 30th is randomly select 2 people, and the first person to get back with me will have their choice of whether they want the dual battery system switch or the winch power switch. Anyway, if you see us, if you're going out to Ouray this year for the FJ Summit, feel free to stop. My wife and I are going this year. Stop us, say hi. Anyway, we'll be glad to see you. And that's it. That's all I wanted to bring out to you. You have a quick video for a giveaway, and I'll have some more videos coming your way. Hopefully, it'll keep them short and simple. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.